Are you a real estate agent struggling to generate leads and increase sales? If so, you're not alone. Many agents find it difficult to stand out in a crowded market and attract potential clients. But the good news is there's a solution. In this video, I'm going to reveal insider tips and strategies on how to use your real estate website to unlock your potential client base and take your business to the next level. The first step in creating a compelling real estate website is to use high quality visuals. Professional photos and videos of your listings and your brand can capture the attention of potential clients and set you apart from your competition. But visuals alone aren't enough. You also need to optimize your website for search engines. That means using relevant keywords, creating quality content, and structuring your website in a way that's easy for search engines to understand. In addition to visuals and search engine optimization, you should also provide valuable content for potential clients on your website. This could include property listings, market reports, educational resources, and testimonials from past clients. By providing valuable information, you can establish your expertise and build trust with potential clients. Of course, it's important to make it easy for potential clients to contact you. So you should prominently display your contact information on your website, including your phone numbers and email address. And don't forget to use clear calls to actions throughout your website, whether it's filling out a form, scheduling consultation, or contacting you directly. Clear calls to actions can encourage potential clients to take action. It's also important to ensure that your website is optimized for all devices. That means it should be easy to use on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Finally, you should showcase your unique value proposition. What sets you apart from other real estate agents in your area? Is it your expertise in a certain type of property, your experience working with a particular demographic, your commitment to providing exceptional customer service? Whatever it is, make sure you highlight it on your website. By implementing these strategies, you can create a compelling real estate website that attracts potential clients and helps you stand out in a crowded market. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow real estate agents who could also benefit from these strategies.